Hello friends, today we're going to learn how to create new customers in Incluziv ERP. You can create customer categories and add customers to the customer master using Excel, or you can add them individually. And we're going to learn how to do that using Incluziv ERP. Once you log into your Incluziv ERP, you can go into settings and you would find something known as the customer category master. Now you can group your customers based on different categories. Say, for example, you want to call a certain group of customers as retail furnishing stores. You want to call another group of customers as walk-in or retail sales, or you would like to call another group as furniture manufacturers. So you can create individual categories like that. Now, to create a new category, you can click on the new button on top and you can give a category name and a category code. So you can add new categories as you see here. Alternately, you can also create multiple categories and then export them whenever you want. Now, after you do that, you can go to Utility, Upload Link, Upload Bulk Customer, and here you can download a sample Excel file. Now, when you download a sample Excel file, you will see the fields on the sample Excel which define things like the customer name, a code, registration, PAN number, credit limit. Now, these are the fields for the Indian customer master. For the Middle East, instead of the GSTIN, you would have the TRN number coming in. So there's a small change there. It would automatically appear in the sample Excel that you download out there. So if you see, we've created a list, demo list of certain customers with a customer code and a PAN number and all the other details. We've also given payment terms. Now, these are two things that you need to keep in mind is there is a payment term master in the system and the name of the payment term should exactly match the payment term master. So this is available in settings and you can go to payment term master and you can create a new payment term. So when you create a new payment term, you can define the name of the payment term and you can define the number of days for which you want to give them credit and the days after which the customer would get blocked. The system has an automatic credit control system wherein if the customer doesn't pay for a bill beyond the blocking period, all his orders as well as invoices can get blocked and they would come for approval. Post approval only, the customer would be able to receive an invoice. Apart from this, if you are using brokers, then you can go to broker master and create a broker and use the same broker name out here as well. Now here the country is missing the country name as well. And there is GST numbers. And so there is a requirement for one particular contact person and the contact number and email ID. Since most of the distributors are selling products on credit, we insist that there is a contact person put in while you are creating the masters, because later on it becomes very difficult for users to update these masters because of disciplinary issues or commitment issues. So normally the material goes and then only they realize that we don't have any contact person or contact details of the person to whom we have sold the material. Plus we have a courier name here. So the important thing to note is there is a courier master available under settings. And you can put in one of the couriers as a default courier for the customer. So you can select and you can upload different couriers and you can put one of the, so we've put SM Express Logistics. So you ensure that the name used here is exactly the same name that you're using in your Excel file. So once having this Excel file ready, we will try to upload this Excel file using utility, upload link, upload bulk customer. So while you're uploading, you need to remember which warehouse you are using and which category of customer you are creating. So if I'm creating for furnishing manufacturers, I can choose the file from here and upload this. If there are any errors in the file, they will be visible to you. So you can see that there is a lot of records wherein there are phone number issues and there are customer code issues. So let's check those and let's try and fix those problems. So once you do that, you can choose this file and you can upload it. So if there are no errors in the file or the format, you can see that the file is uploaded successfully and all the records will show here. Please note that there will be only 10 records which are shown here, but the total number of records will be also displayed, and then you can save your customers. And in this way, all your customers will be created in the system together. So you need to keep in mind that you are creating it category wise and in a bulk in Excel. We had a case where one of the customers is not created because of the spelling mistake in the state. But if you go and look into the CRM, you will see all your new customers, which is with the new codes starting with 901, which are already created in the system. And whatever are their billing and shipping addresses, all those data is available in the system. So this is one way of creating a customer. You could also go to settings. Go to customer master and you can add a new customer using the new button out here. Here you will be adding each customer manually. You have to give a customer name, the name of the category. In case you want to create a new category, you can click on the plus sign here and create a new category. You can assign the warehouse, broker. You can create multiple contact people, contact details for the customer, set the credit limit, the payment terms, if the pricing as well. You can add the billing and shipping addresses, and you can link the logistic address. If you want to create another billing address, you can select both and you can put this together. So the shipping and billing get created together. If you want to put a contact person, you can put it here. You can select what emails they need to receive, what SMSs. So for the same contact person, you can have them get only the order emails, but not the invoice emails or vice versa. So you can create multiple contact people who are allowed only certain communication from the company. So this is how you could create a customer. Hope this was simple. Keep learning with Incluziv ERP.